before we start with this, we'll have a revision. This is random variable x and we have probability of x. Based on this, if we draw a graph, we get a bell-shaped curve where x bar mean is equal to median, which is equal to mode. Now, from x, we convert this normal variable into variable z, which is known as a standard normal variable. How do we do this? Xi, z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. So what we do, we convert this value of x into z. Probability remains as it is. Now, if we draw a graph, this is infinity minus infinity. Over here, mean. So mean minus mean upon sigma. So it is z is equal to 0. For values of z which are negative, we plot over here, and positives we plot over here. This complete area over here is 1, which is 0.5 and 0.5. This is the probability. Understood this? Now, if you want to shade less than, it will be towards your left. If you want to shade more than, it will be towards your right. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. What type of sums we will be doing? X to z, z to probability. How we will find the probability? We will use the table. Then table to z and z to x. Illustration 4. The average weight of grown-up children living in a large society is 50 kg and its standard deviation is 5 kg. If their weight follows normal distribution and a grown-up child is selected at random, then find first the probability that his weight is between 55 and 65 kg. Second, the probability that his weight is between 35 and 45 kg. Now, let's write down what is given. Illustration 4, page 106. Variable x denote what? Weight of grown-up children. Now, mean mu is equal to 50 and sigma, standard deviation, is equal to 5. What we have to find? We have to find first the probability that first weight is between 55 kg and 65 kg. Weight is between 55 kg and 65 kg. Now, we have to find probability of x greater than equal to 55, less than equal to 65. We convert x to z. What is z? X minus mu upon sigma. So probability of 55 minus 50 upon 5, x will become z greater than equal to less than equal to 65 minus 50 upon 5 is equal to probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to 55 minus 50 by 5 is plus 1 and over here plus 3. Now, how do we do the plotting? First, we draw a bell-shaped curve. Over here, infinity and minus infinity. Z is equal to 0. Now, 1 plus 1. Which side will do the plotting? Right hand side. So I'll take this as Z1 is equal to 1. And 3. Which side? Again right hand side. So let's say over here 3. So Z2 is equal to 3. Now I want the area between 1 to 3. So I do the shading. Now, how do we make the equation out of this? With one of the end of equation should always be 0. So we will take 0 to Z2 minus 0 to Z1. पता चला 0 से Z2, 0 से 3 minus 0 to 1. तो मिल जाएगा ये एरिया. So we make the equation. Probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to. First equation is 0 to 3. 0 to 3 minus probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 1. Using table, values of Z1 is equal to 1 and Z2 is equal to 3. 0.4987 minus 0.3413, which is equal to 0.1574. Understood this? Now second, weight is between 35 kg to 45 kg. Okay. So probability of X greater than equal to 35, less than equal to 45. We convert X into Z, X minus mu upon sigma. So probability of 35 minus 50 upon 5, Z greater than equal to less than equal to 45 minus 50 upon 5, which is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 35 minus 50 is minus 3 minus 1. Let's draw the graph. Infinity minus infinity. Z is equal to 0. Now we'll take this as Z1 and this as Z2 minus 1. So on the left hand side, Z1 is equal to minus 1 and Z2 is equal to minus 3. Now, we make the equation, ध्यान दो, minus 3 से 0 and minus 1 से 0. Understood this? Probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to minus 3 से 0 minus probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to minus 1 से 0. We cannot have equation like this, so we change the signs. Probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 3 minus probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 1. हम ऐसा क्यों कर सकते हैं? Because 0 to minus 3 or 0 to plus 3, the area remains the same. It's a symmetric distribution. So, using table, probability or area for Z1 is equal to 1 and Z2 is equal to 3. 0.4987 minus 0.34. 0.3413 equal to 0.1574. Illustration 5. The monthly income of workers working in a production house follows normal distribution. Their average monthly income is 15,000 and standard deviation is 4,000. First, if the worker is selected at random, find the probability that his monthly income is between 10,000 and 25,000. Second, find the percentage of workers. Find the percentage of workers having monthly income between 12,000 and 22,000 in the production house. Illustration 5. Page number 108. Variable X denotes monthly income of workers. Mu is equal to 15,000 and sigma is equal to 4,000. First, 10,000 and 25,000. How we do this? We convert X into Z. So probability of 10,000 minus 15,000 upon 4,000. Z greater than equal to less than equal to 25,000 minus 15,000 upon 4,000, which is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to minus 1.25. How much? 2.5. Minus 1.25 and 2.5. We draw a graph. Infinity minus infinity. Z is equal to 0. Minus 1.25. Which side? Left hand side. Z1 is equal to minus 1.25 and 2.5. Now be reasonable. ये 1.25 लिया है तो 2.5 should be somewhere over here. 2.5. Understood this? ये पता चल गया ना? You cannot have another like this. This is area 2.5. This is minus 1.25. तो proportionately करना, okay? Now we shade it. We'll make two equations, minus 1.25 to 0 and 0 to 2.5 over here, which is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to minus 1.25 to 0 plus probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 2.5, which is equal to, now we convert this. So probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 1.25 plus probability of Z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 2.5 using table. 1.25 कैसे देखेंगे? सबको आता है देखना. ये जो है यहाँ पे 1.2 and 0.05. This point of intersection. What is this value? 0.3944. So over here, 0.3944 plus 0.4938, which is equal to 0.8882. Answer first. Second, find the percentage of workers having monthly income between 12,000 and 22,000 in the production house. So first step, we find the probability that the worker's income is between 12,000 to 22,000. Probability of 12,000 minus 15,000 upon 4,000. 22,000 minus 15,000. upon 4000, which is equal to probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to minus 3 by 4 is minus 0.75, and 22 minus 15 is 7. 4. How much? 1.75. 1.75. Now we draw the graph. Z is equal to 0, minus infinity plus infinity. Minus 0.75 on the negative, so left hand side. And 1.75 on the right hand side. Z1, Z2. Therefore, probability of Z greater than equal to minus 0.75 less than equal to 0 plus probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1.75 is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 0.75 plus probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1.75 using table 0.75 0.7 का 5 is 0.2734 plus 1.75 1.7 का 5 0.4599 which is equal to 0.7333. Now in the question we have to find the percentage. We have to find the percentage of workers. So therefore, the percentage of workers with monthly income between 12,000 and 22,000 is 0.7333 into 100 is equal to 73.33%. Page number 135, section D, question number 4. A normal distribution has mean 50 and variance 9. Find the probability that first, the value of normal variable x lies between 50 and 53, and second, the value of normal variable x lies between 47 and 53. Let's write what is given. Section D, page number 135, question 4. Mean mu is equal to 50, variance is equal to sigma square variance is equal to 9. Therefore, sigma is equal to 3. Be careful. अगर तुमने 9 ले लिया, तो your answer will go wrong. Now, we have to find the probability that first, value of random variable x lies between 50 and 53. We solve this. X gets converted into z, which is x minus mu upon sigma. Probability of 50 minus 50 upon sigma, that is 3, z greater than equal to less than equal to 53 minus 50 upon 3 is equal to probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to 0, 2, 1. Very simple, one of the end is already 0. We just make a graph. Z is equal to 0, positive 1, using table 0.3413 and so on. Second is, we have to find probability of x greater than equal to 47 and 53. We convert x into z. X minus mu upon sigma is equal to probability of 47 minus 50 upon 3. Z greater than equal to less than equal to 53 minus 50 upon 3 is equal to probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to 47 minus 50 upon 3, so minus 1 and plus 1. Now, we draw a graph, very important. Even if you can do it directly, please don't do it, always make this graph. Minus 1 and plus 1. Z is equal to 0, Z1 is equal to minus 1, Z2 is equal to plus 1. We make the equation minus 1 to 0 and 0 to plus 1 is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 0 plus probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1, which is equal to probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1 plus probability of Z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1, which is equal to, using table 0.3413 plus 0.3413, 0.6826. Answer 2. Question number 5. If x is a normal variable with mean 100 and standard deviation 15, then find percentage of observation having value more than 85 and having value less than 130. Let's write question 5. Page number 135. Mu is equal to 100. Standard deviation given directly, sigma is equal to 15. Now we have to find percentage of observation. First, value more than 85. Here if you just find probability, it's not correct because you have to find percentage of observation. तो सिर्फ probability find करके सब छोड़ दिया तो चलेगा नहीं, it's wrong. Now we find first the probability of x greater than equal to 85, probability of z greater than equal to 85 minus 100 upon 15. So probability of z greater than equal to 85 minus 100 upon 15 is minus 1. Infinity minus infinity. Z is equal to 0. Very simple. सबसे पहले you plot the value of Z1 minus 1. Say for example over here, Z1 is equal to minus 1. Which side this arrow is telling you to go? Right hand side, because it is greater. Understood this? But is there any boundary? It goes till infinity. So we draw, we shade it. Minus 1 to 0 and 0 to infinity. Now exam में तुम्हें ये सब draw नहीं करना है, ये तुम्हारे understanding के लिए, okay? So which is equal to probability of z greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 0 plus probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than infinity. Only less than infinity, not equal to, because technically nothing can be equal to infinity, which is equal to probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to 0 to 1 plus 0.5000 because this complete area is 0.5. Using table of area under normal curve 0.3413 plus 0.5000 is equal to 0.8413. Is that the answer?
No.
No, we have to find percentage. Therefore, percentage of observation is equal to 84.13%. Next, second, having value less than 130. Now, probability of x less than equal to 130. Probability of z less than equal to 130 minus 100 upon 15 is probability of z less than equal to 2. We draw the graph. Z is equal to 0 less than equal to 2. Now सबसे पहले क्या प्लॉट करेंगे? 2. Say over here Z1 is equal to 2. Now which side? Left hand side. So left hand side. Now up to what? Up to here or till infinity? Infinity. So draw the lines shaded. Now two equations we make is equal to probability of z greater than minus infinity less than equal to 0 plus probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 2. So which is equal to 0.5000 plus probability of z greater than equal to less than equal to 2. What's the value of 2 in the table? 4772 using table of area under normal curve which is equal to 0.9772. Is this the answer? No. Therefore, percentage of observation is equal to 0.9772 into 100 is equal to 97.72%. Question number 6. The weight of randomly selected 500 adult persons from a region of a city following normal distribution. The average weight of these persons is 55 kg and its standard deviation is 7 kg. First, estimate the number of persons having weight between 41 kg and 62 kg and estimate the number of persons having weight less than 41 kg. Let's do this sum. Question 6. Random variable x denotes weight of adult person. Average mu is equal to 55 and sigma is equal to 7. There are 500 adults in a region of a city. We have to find first estimate number of person with weight between 41 kg 62 kg. Here we have to find estimate number of person. First we find probability of x greater than equal to less than equal to 41 to 62. Convert x to z. Probability of z greater than equal to 41 minus 55 upon 7 less than equal to 62 minus 55 upon 7. which is equal to probability of z greater than equal to -2 and exactly 1. We draw the graph. Z is equal to 0, -2. Z1 is -2 and Z2 is equal to 1. Shaded. What are the equation? -2 to 0 and 0 to 1, which is equal to probability of z greater than equal to -2 less than equal to 0 plus probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1 equal to probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 2 plus probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1 is equal to 0.4772, 0.3413, which is equal to 0. How much? 8185. Therefore, estimated number of person is equal to, how many persons are there? 500 into 0.8185, which is equal to 409.25. But since they are person, it cannot be in fraction, which is equivalent to 409%. Estimate number of person having weight less than 41 kg, less than 41 kg. Now we have to find probability of x less than equal to 41. We convert it into z, which is equal to probability of z less than equal to 41 by 55 upon 7, which is equal to probability of z less than equal to -2. Infinity minus infinity, z is equal to 0, z1 is equal to -2. कौन सी side shading? Left hand side. So this is what will be shading. Now equation will be, ध्यान दो, infinity से 0 and -2 से 0. Understood this? तो infinity से 0 में से we will remove -2 से 0, so we'll get this area. So we make the equation probability of z greater than minus infinity less than equal to 0, पहला वाला, minus probability of z greater than equal to -2 less than equal to 0 is equal to 0.5000 minus probability of z greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 2. Using table, which is equal to 0.500 minus 0.4772 is equal to 0.0228. Now, how much percentage is 0.0228? 2%, 2.28%. That's why this area is very small. You understood this? ये जो probability है is basically the area what we cover under the standard normal curve. So here it is 2%. That's why it's a very small area. Now, therefore, estimated number of person with weight less than 41 kg is equal to 500% into 0.0228, which is equal to 11.4, which is equivalent to 11%.